All right, next up, we're working on a Porsche Cayman. Before we get started on this, I do need to clean the wheel to make sure I can see all the scratches. Definitely some curb rash here and here, though. But I'm going to take some of my Adams Surface Prep Spray. There is a link to this in the description below, along with a bunch of other stuff I use to repair rims. If you wouldn't mind checking that out. And maybe also hitting that like and subscribe button. We'll get going on this wheel in just a minute. The Surface Prep Spray works really well because it dries or evaporates almost immediately. So yeah, those are chips in the wheel on this side, a couple chips over there, and then just the curb rash on this side. So this is pretty deep. We will grind this out, sand this out, and sand out the chips and the clear coat. I'm going to do this with just the red conditioning disc. That'll get through that, no problem. Should. If it doesn't, I'll switch out to the 60 grit disc. All right, and everything else is going to get done with 320 grit. First, just sand out all the grinder marks and reshape this part of the wheel. And we'll sand out these two chip marks over here. I might need to hit it with the grinder, actually. Yeah, those are pretty deep. All right, then we'll go over everywhere I just sanded with the 800 grit, just to get those 320 sand marks out on this one. Then we'll go ahead and scuff that. All right, then we're going to take the old scuff pad and some Adams Surface Prep Spray and just go over these brake lines here between the new and old finish. make sure it's nice and clean. And then, so I'm doing this one in the detail bay. They have not washed it yet. So rather than clear coat these two wheels, I'm going to use a ceramic coating so it cures faster, so that it's set before they start spraying it with water. So I used the Adams graphene ceramic coating. There's a link to this in the description as well. A couple drops on my rag. I have an applicator for it too. I just can't find it. So. Get the ceramic on, let it sit for a minute, and then we'll wipe it off. That's just dust on the spoke there. All right, and then just go over and level the ceramic down.